In this video, we listed the 20 best survival essentials for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel is a heavy-duty carbon steel entrenching tool designed for off-road adventures, camping, gardening, and emergency preparedness. Its military-style build makes it durable and reliable for digging dirt, sand, mud, and snow, making it a versatile tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Given your interest in portable tools, outdoor survival gear, and vehicle recovery accessories, this shovel aligns well with your needs. It pairs effectively with products like the Grail GeoPress water purifier for survival situations, the Sportneer military compass for navigation, and the Autobots tow hitch receiver for off-road recovery. If you're involved in camping, overlanding, or emergency preparedness, this folding shovel provides compact storage and multifunctional utility, making it an essential addition to your gear collection. Product 2. Product name: Aquatabs 397mg Water Purification Tablets. The Aquatabs 397mg Water Purification Tablets, 100 pack, are a highly effective and easy-to-use solution for purifying water in various outdoor and emergency situations. These tablets are designed to eliminate harmful bacteria, viruses, and other contaminants, making them an essential item for camping, boating, survival kits, RVs, and marine use. Each tablet treats up to 4 gallons, 15 liters, of water, ensuring safe drinking water in just 30 minutes. Given the user's interest in hiking, camping, survival gear, and outdoor accessories, including the Grail GeoPress water purifier bottle and the Sportneer military compass, the Aquatabs 397mg tablets would be a valuable addition to their emergency preparedness kit. These tablets are compact, lightweight, and have a long shelf life, making them ideal for travel, off-grid adventures, and disaster preparedness. Product 3. Product name: Drilled Flint Fire Starter. The Bayit 4-inch Survival Ferrocerium Drilled Flint Fire Starter is a high-quality fire-starting tool designed for outdoor survival, camping, and emergency preparedness. This ferro rod kit includes a 4-inch long, 3/8-inch diameter ferrocerium rod, a striker, and a paracord lanyard handle for easy carrying and grip. Key features: reliable fire starting, produces a high-temperature spark, up to 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit, to ignite dry tinder in various weather conditions, including rain and wind. Durable ferrocerium rod, long-lasting and capable of thousands of strikes, making it a dependable tool for outdoor enthusiasts. Ergonomic striker, comes with a specially designed metal scraper for efficient sparks, outperforming common knife back edges. Paracord lanyard handle, enhances grip while also providing an emergency survival cord. Product 4. Product name: Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket. The Prepared Hero Emergency Fire Blanket is a compact and essential fire safety tool designed for home and kitchen use. This 2-pack fire suppression blanket measures 40 inches by 40 inches and is made from fiberglass, allowing it to quickly smother small fires without the mess of traditional fire extinguishers. It is ideal for kitchen fires, camping, and emergency preparedness, providing a reliable way to extinguish flames by cutting off oxygen. Given your interest in household kitchen appliances and DIY tools, this fire blanket could be a valuable addition to your home safety gear. It is easy to use, requires no maintenance, and can be stored conveniently in accessible locations. Product 5. Product name: Gerber Gear Suspension. The Gerber Gear Suspension NXT15 in 1 EDC Multitool is a versatile and compact stainless steel tool designed for everyday carry, EDC, survival, camping, and general utility. Featuring needle nose pliers, a pocket knife, a wire stripper, and 12 additional tools, it offers a balance of functionality and portability. Its lightweight, butterfly opening design ensures easy access to the tools, while the locking mechanism enhances safety during use. Given the user's interest in outdoor gear, survival tools, and household repair equipment. This multi-tool aligns well with their needs, complementing other items like the pocket knife, soldering iron, and various woodworking tools. The Gerber Suspension NXT is particularly useful for tasks such as camping setups, minor repairs, and emergency situations, making it a practical addition to an EDC kit. Product 6. Product name: Emergency Radio with NOAA Weather Alert. The Emergency Radio with NOAA Weather Alert is a versatile and essential survival tool designed for emergency preparedness, outdoor adventures, and home safety. It features a portable design with multiple power sources, including a solar panel, hand crank, rechargeable battery, and USB charging, ensuring continuous operation even in power outages. This AM/FM radio receives NOAA weather alerts, keeping users informed about severe weather conditions, natural disasters, and emergency broadcasts. Additionally, it functions as a multi-purpose survival gadget, incorporating a built-in flashlight, reading lamp, and USB charger to power small devices like smartphones during emergencies. For outdoor enthusiasts and emergency responders, this radio serves as a reliable communication tool for camping, hiking, and disaster preparedness. Product 7. Product name: Fiskars X7 Hatchet Lightweight Wood Splitter. The Fiskars X7 Hatchet Lightweight Wood Splitter is a compact and efficient tool designed for splitting small to medium-sized kindling, making it ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and homeowners. Weighing only 1.5 pounds and featuring a 14-inch length, it provides excellent control and ease of use. This hatchet is built with proprietary blade technology, ensuring a sharper edge that stays durable for longer periods. The shock-absorbing fibercomp handle enhances grip and minimizes strain, making it comfortable to use while reducing the risk of hand fatigue. Product 8. Product name: 400-piece large first aid kit. The 400-piece large first aid kit is a comprehensive and well-stocked emergency medical kit designed for a variety of situations, including home, office, car, outdoor adventures, hiking, travel, camping, and survival scenarios. Featuring 400 essential medical supplies, this premium first aid kit ensures preparedness for minor injuries, emergencies, and unexpected accidents. Housed in a durable and portable red first aid bag, the kit is organized for easy access to bandages, antiseptics, gauze, medical tape, scissors, tweezers, emergency blankets, and other crucial supplies. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals, families, and outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize safety and emergency preparedness. Product 9. Product name: USB Rechargeable Lantern. The USB Rechargeable Lantern is a versatile and reliable lighting solution designed for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and everyday use. Featuring 400 lumens of brightness, it provides ample illumination for camping, hiking, and power outages. With a 6,000 mAh built-in power bank, it can also charge small electronic devices, making it a practical tool for extended trips or emergency preparedness. This lantern boasts 6 lighting modes, allowing users to adjust brightness levels to suit different situations. Its 200-hour battery life ensures long-lasting performance, reducing the need for frequent recharges. The compact and lightweight design, combined with a hanging hook, makes it easy to position inside tents, on tree branches, or in workspaces. Product 10. Product name: Survival Kit. A survival kit is an essential collection of emergency gear designed for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, fishing, and hunting. The 19-in-1 Emergency Survival Kit is a versatile set that includes tools for survival, safety, and convenience, making it an excellent gift for men, dads, and husbands who enjoy outdoor adventures. Key features and components: multi-tool and knife, compact tools for cutting, opening, and general utility. Fire starter, essential for starting a fire in survival situations. Emergency blanket, provides warmth and protection from the elements. Fishing gear, includes hooks and lines for catching food in emergency situations. Tactical flashlight, offers high lumen brightness for visibility in the dark. First aid essentials, includes basic medical supplies for treating minor injuries. Product 11. Product name: Body Wipes for Men. Body Wipes for Men, 2 pk, 100 XL no rinse shower wipes plus 8 travel bath wipes, 9 inches by 12 inches after gym wipes, men's deodorant wipes, face wipes for men, for camping essentials, survival gear, and supplies. These body wipes are designed to provide a convenient and refreshing solution for men who need to stay clean without access to a shower. The pack includes 100 extra-large 9 inches by 12 inches no-rinse shower wipes, ideal for post-workout cleanups or when you're on the go. The 8 travel-sized bath wipes offer portability and can easily fit into your backpack, gym bag, or survival kit. Perfect for camping, hiking, and survival situations, these wipes are not only suitable for your body but can also be used as face wipes or deodorant wipes. They are an essential addition to any men's outdoor gear or gym essentials, ensuring you stay fresh and hygienic no matter where you are. Product 12. Product name: Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter Straw. The Waterdrop Gravity Water Filter Straw is a versatile and reliable water filtration system designed for outdoor activities like camping, backpacking, and emergency preparedness. It serves as an essential tool for ensuring access to clean drinking water in remote locations or during survival situations. With its 1.5-gallon capacity bag and 5-stage filtration system, it effectively removes contaminants from water, providing you with clean, safe hydration. The system features a 0.1 micron filter, which helps eliminate bacteria, parasites, and other harmful particles from water, ensuring that you have potable water even in wilderness or emergency settings. Its blue color adds a vibrant touch while maintaining its functional design. This filter is compact, easy to use, and essential for traveling, backpacking, and outdoor enthusiasts who require a reliable and lightweight filtration solution. Product 13. Product name: ECOFLOW Portable Power Station. The ECOFLOW Portable Power Station Delta 2 is a versatile energy solution designed for home backup power, camping, and RV use. With a 1024WH LiFePO4 (LFP) battery, it ensures reliable, long-lasting power for various devices. The power station features an 1800W AC output and a 100W USB-C output, allowing you to charge or run multiple devices simultaneously, from small electronics to larger appliances. Ideal for off-grid activities or emergency backup, the Delta 2 can be paired with an optional solar panel for sustainable, eco-friendly charging, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those looking for energy independence. Its portability and robust build cater to a wide range of needs, from powering home essentials during outages to keeping your RV powered on the go. Product 14. Product name: Orgeson Farms Emergency Food Supply Kit. The Orgeson Farms 30-day one-person standard emergency food supply kit is designed to provide essential survival nutrition for individuals during emergencies, power outages, or unexpected situations. This kit includes a variety of shelf-stable meals that are easy to prepare, just add water. With a 30-day supply, it offers peace of mind knowing you have reliable food options when fresh supplies are unavailable. The kit includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks that provide a balanced and nutritious diet. Ideal for prepping, hiking, camping, or disaster preparedness, it ensures you stay well-fed and energized during challenging times. Whether you're looking for emergency food for survival or a convenient option for outdoor adventures, this kit offers a practical solution for extended periods without access to regular food sources. Product 15. Product name: Pocket Chainsaw. The Pocket Chainsaw with paracord handles by Campendor is a versatile and durable tool designed for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Made with 65 heavy-duty steel, the saw boasts 48 teeth that offer efficient cutting performance, making it ideal for a variety of outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and bushcraft. The army green color gives it a rugged, tactical appearance, while the paracord handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip, even in challenging conditions. This pocket-sized chainsaw is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in a backpack or survival kit, providing a reliable option for cutting wood, branches, or other materials when you're in the wilderness. Its survival-oriented design also means it can serve as a practical tool in emergencies. Whether you're building a shelter, preparing firewood, or tackling other outdoor tasks. Product 16. Product name: 2PC Solar Rechargeable LED Flashlight. The 2PC Solar, Rechargeable Multifunction 1000 Lumens LED flashlight is a versatile lighting tool designed for a variety of outdoor and emergency situations. With its powerful 1000 lumens output, it provides a bright and reliable source of light, perfect for activities such as hiking, camping, or power outages. The flashlight features a multifunction design, including an emergency strobe light, making it ideal for signaling in distress situations. Equipped with a 1200 mAh rechargeable battery, the flashlight offers extended usage, and its solar charging capability ensures that it can be powered up even in remote areas where access to electricity may be limited. Additionally, the flashlight supports USB fast charging, allowing for quick recharges when necessary. Product 17. Product name: Survival Vegetable Seeds. Survival Vegetable Seeds Garden Kit is an essential tool for preparedness and self-sufficiency, offering over 16,000 non-GMO, heirloom seeds across 35 different varieties. Perfect for gardening enthusiasts and those preparing for emergencies, this kit provides a wide range of vegetables that can be grown in various climates and conditions. The seeds are specifically chosen for their hardness and nutritional value, making them ideal for survival scenarios or for anyone looking to ensure a steady food supply. The inclusion of free plant markers is a great addition for organization and efficient gardening. With a focus on sustainability, these seeds provide a practical solution for long-term food production, whether in a backyard garden or as part of bug-out gear for emergency preparedness. Product 18. Product name: Energizer AA and AAA Batteries. The Energizer AA and AAA Batteries Combo Pack, 48 count, is a convenient and reliable solution for powering a wide variety of household devices and gadgets. This pack includes 24 max AA batteries and 24 max AAA batteries, both of which are designed to deliver long-lasting performance for everyday items such as remote controls, toys, cameras, flashlights, and other small electronic devices. Energizer's max batteries are known for their ability to provide consistent, dependable energy, ensuring your devices stay powered for longer periods. Whether you're looking for a quick solution for a single device or stocking up on batteries for general use, this combo pack offers great value, eliminating the need for frequent replacements. Perfect for households, businesses, or any space where power-hungry devices are in use, these batteries are engineered to be leak-resistant, helping to protect your devices from damage over time. Product 19. Product name: Survivor Filter Pro X. The Survivor Filter Pro X is a high-performance electric portable water filter designed for outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and travelers. It is ideal for camping, hiking, and survival situations, providing a reliable solution for accessing clean and safe drinking water from natural sources such as streams, rivers, and lakes. This filter is capable of removing up to 99.9999% of bacteria, viruses, and parasites, ensuring the water is free from harmful contaminants. With its advanced filtration technology, including a 3-stage process, pre-filter, ultrafiltration, and activated carbon, the Survivor Filter Pro X provides superior protection against a wide range of waterborne pathogens. The electric-powered design allows for quick and efficient filtration, making it an excellent choice for those who need fast and consistent access to potable water while on the go.